Captain, the purser just reported a passenger with a suspected heart attack, unresponsive. No pulse. That's critical. We'll need to divert. I'll inform ATC and request immediate clearance. Frankfurt approach, this is Lufthansa 1HP declaring medical emergency. Passenger with life-threatening condition. Request immediate diversion and priority landing clearance. Lufthansa 1HP, roger. Please provide current position and altitude. Altitude 28,000 FT, current heading 270. Approximately 50 nautical miles east of Frankfurt. Lufthansa 1HP, divert to Frankfurt Main Airport. Turn right heading 170 for base, descend to 10,000 FT. Emergency medical services will be waiting. Right heading 170, descending to 10,000 FT, Lufthansa 1HP. Cabin crew is starting CPR, but they're asking for a doctor on board. I'll make a PA announcement. You focus on descent. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. We have a medical emergency on board. If there is a doctor or medically trained professional on board, please make yourself known to the cabin crew immediately. We've stabilized descent. ATC has cleared us for direct approach. Good. Maintain speed at 220 knots until final approach. Lufthansa 1HP, emergency priority granted. Cleared for ILS approach, runway 25R, winds 240 at 10 knots. Emergency vehicles are on standby. Cleared for runway 25R, Lufthansa 1HP. Gear down, flaps 30. Approach looking stable. We'll land fast and straight. No room for errors. Lufthansa 1HP, tower confirms runway clear for emergency landing. Roger that, final approach. Touchdown, medical crew's already moving. Let's hope they can save that passenger.